Carbon dioxide corrodes. We are experiencing corrosion explosion.
Ocean acidification is a major problem. Scientists have discovered acid levels are rising in the ocean due to increased levels of carbon dioxide in our atmosphere. It is estimated that 1/3 of the CO2 emitted into the atmosphere becomes absorbed by the ocean. Organisms that contain calcium carbonate are vulnerable to pH changes. Their shells may eventually dissolve or break. Tomorrow you're going to do a 2-part lab, blowing bubbles into water and recording changes and breaking shells exposed to acidic solutions. CO2 is increasing as a result of increased levels of emissions. CO2 traps the sun's rays and results in the warming of the earth. Carbon dioxide from the atmosphere gets in the ocean through diffusion. The CO2 adds H+ ions in the ocean, which makes it more acidic. An acid has a pH of 6 or lower, and a base has a pH of 8 or higher. CO2 is dissolved in seawater and carbonic acid is produced. The carbonic acid dissociates in the water, releasing hydrogen ions and bicarbonate. Imagine a scale. The carbonate and bicarbonate need to balance each other out. When the bicarbonate is added to the ocean, the scale becomes unbalanced. In order to rebalance, carbonate needs to be added to the ocean. Carbonate is taken from organisms and added to the ocean. Calcium carbonate from shelled organisms is the victim of carbon dioxide being added to the ocean. Because of the acidity, the organisms containing calcium carbonate have a hard time surviving and creating new shells. If the acid levels continue to rise, shelled organisms and coral reefs may cease to exist. It is important to understand this, and this lab attempts to teach this important concept because small changes can have a major effect.